Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Today's tip is using words to remember rhythms. It's called mnemonics, and the dictionary definition is the study and development of systems for improving and assisting the memory. This is a very effective way to teach kids, but it's also helpful for adults. So for example, the single stroke 4 rudiment is usually phrased in 16th note triplets with a pause in between them. I use the term, "What did you do?" to help remember the rhythm. It's a 4-syllable phrase that fits the natural rhythm of the particular rudiment. Also, for the common rhythm of 2 16th notes followed by an 8th note, I use the term apple pie. Mnemonics can help with playing odd time signatures or odd time phrasing. For example, when playing in 5, I use the word hippopotamus. That can help you to feel the resolve of playing in 5. And mnemonics are also useful when learning polyrhythms. A phrase that helps when learning the 3/4 polyrhythm is pass the peanut butter. And of course, there are commonly assigned words that we have for specific fills, like Pat Boone, Debbie Boone, bucket of fish, or the blujda. And there are many more. These mnemonics are helpful to learn and remember specific rhythms. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.